Bakit parang napag-iiwanan na ako? And yun pala yung tinatawag nilang existential crisis. And alam mo naman na kaya mo but we don't know where to start. What's up mga ka-faith? Ka-faith lang at huwag kang bibitaw hanggang matapos ang video na to. Hello mga ka-faith! Kamusta ka? And today I just wanna share something with you that I have been experienced lately na baka ikaw din mismo sometimes in your down moments na-experience mo itong mga ganitong bagay. So, time is passing and sometimes we feel we haven't achieved anything worth celebrating yet. And yun pala yung tinatawag nilang existential crisis. When you feel you are lost on track again, you don't know what is your purpose and you don't know what you really want. And alam mo naman na kaya mo but we don't know where to start. And minsan during our down moments, hindi natin maiwasan na isipin, bakit parang napag-iiwanan na ako? What do I really want in life? Am I on the right career path? Or minsan gusto ulit natin mag-aral. Or sometimes iniisip natin na tumatanda na yung parents natin. Or sometimes iniisip din natin na bakit yung mga kabatch ko, bakit yung mga friends ko, ganito na yung buhay nila. And I just want to encourage you na hindi mo kailangan magpa-pressure sa iba because God is working, God is moving sa buhay mo. And let me just share our verse. Sabi ng Psalms chapter 37 verse 7, "Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Do not fret when people succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes." So, ganun kabuti ang Diyos sa buhay natin. Wait patiently sa gagawin ng Diyos sa buhay mo. At alam ko na ano man yung plano na meron ka sa kasalukay, surrender mo lang lahat yan kay Lord. And tayin mo lang yung timing ng Diyos sa buhay mo. God bless. Thank you once again mga ka-faith dahil hindi ka bumitaw hanggang matapos ang video na to. See you again and please like and share our YouTube channel Beyond the Blaze and our FB page Victory Church International Christian Ministries Motrico and Beyond Youth Ministries Motrico.